In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make over old decor like this and turn it into something like this using your Cricut. It's Mindy, and let's get started. I've had this bathroom rules sign for a few years now, and I didn't want to get rid of it because it's a solid piece. So I recently decided how I wanted to make it over. I started by removing the sawtooth hanger on the back of the sign and giving the entire thing a fresh coat of black chalk paint. While the paint was drying, I worked on my design. I decided to use this patterned iron-on vinyl and this copper-colored faux leather material. These are both Cricut brand, and I'll link to them in the description in case you're interested. Here's how I created my heart overlay in Cricut Design Space. I first tried looking for a heart outline, but I couldn't find what I wanted, so I used this heart, which is just more rounded than the one in the Shapes panel. So to create my outline, I duplicated this image and changed the color of the duplicate, then resized it over the original until I got the outline thickness I wanted. I made sure the duplicate was centered on top of the original, then selected both images and used the slice tool to get my outline. With the outline cut out, I sized it to fit my sign. Then I duplicated it and resized each duplicate until I had 5 hearts, one for each of us in our family. I made sure to center everything once again and attached it all before cutting. So here's my faux leather that I cut to fit on my sign and my iron-on design. And I used my Cricut Easy Press to preheat the faux leather, then centered my design using a tiny clothespin, and I ironed it on. The Cricut heat setting for this project was 20 seconds at 265 degrees, which was perfect. And once I peeled off the liner, I pressed the back of the leather to get those creases out. Then I just attached the leather to the front of my sign using this Fabri-Tac glue. This would be perfect for Valentine's decor, but it will be up year-round on the picture ledges in our living room. And I just love how the copper color blends with the terracotta accent wall. Let me know in the comments if you'll try this with your Cricut or if you want to see more home decor projects using the Cricut. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.